Hi there, I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla, and welcome to the full World Hoop Day choreography. This is World Hoop Day for 2021. The song is Hoop It Up. It's an original song that I wrote and produced myself. And yes, I'm going to give you a little bit of background information about the whole dance first so you know what's going on with that. So the World Hoop Dance is all about the mission, which is to hula hoops to the hands of kids of all ages all over the world, and to help bring mental, physical, and emotional good health to everybody and world peace. So that's what the mission is about, to bring hoops out there. So whatever you can do to support that cause, whether it be having an event. Now, why would you want to do the World Hoop Day dance? Because you get to learn, it's really great for your brain. You get to learn the choreography. The choreography is really easy. So it's I should say that it's to a nice slow song. There's fewer counts in this. And if you know the chorus, it's in 3 simple sections. So the main section is the chorus. There's all of 16 counts in the chorus, and it repeats. So that's nice and easy to learn. Then there's a first verse and a second verse. Each of those have 32 counts. The whole dance has only 80 counts to it. So it's good for your mental, getting the brain cells going. It's good for physical, getting all your dance coordination going. And it's great for getting your performance skills up and going as well. So I hope that you do get yourself on video. Hashtag the World Hoop Day event. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe this channel and share this video so that we get more people participating in the world. And no matter when you're doing this, World Hoop Day is in our hearts always. But it's actually the first Saturday of October every year. So this particular year for 2021, it is Saturday, October 2nd. And yeah, so, and oh, also you can song, the Hoop It Up song on SoundCloud. There's a link in the description here. And yes, the beginning, so the neat part of this too is that this is choreographed mainly for beginners, a little bit of intermediate moves too, but mainly for beginners. If you are an intermediate to an advanced hooper, don't worry, we got you covered. You can all your cool tricks and stuff and flow at the beginning. There's 32 counts in the beginning and 32 counts at the end, approximately 20 seconds each that bookend the whole dance, and you can do all your own cool free flow. If you want to do your own choreography, you can do that. There are extra videos to this, so you can go through the whole World Hoop Day dance choreography with just this video. But on the second video, there's going to be more of a breakout of the chorus part, the 16 counts that repeat. So if you get that, you've got half the dance. On the third video, you've got the first verse. There's 32 counts of that. We're going to do that a little bit more in depth. And the next video is the second verse. That is the fourth video, and then there's a fifth video to this series, and that's going to help you with the free flow or the choreography at the beginning, at the end, and that is 3 hints to choreo and free flow. So I'll give you some tips and tricks on that, of how to do that, and also tell you about the Choreo Confidence course in case you are interested in that. You don't have to do that, but that is part of that, of what I'm doing, and so you can do that and do other dances with this as well. So alrighty, and also make sure that you have some water around so that you hydrate, you keep your smile going. If you drop your hoop, don't worry about it. I know it feels bad, but just try and use your happy hoop glee word, which is just any happy word that helps get you through, and make it look like you meant to do that. Pick up your hoop. If you drop your hoop, that's okay. That's all part of hooping. It happens to everybody who hoops. It just does. So let's get started. Alrighty, so this beginning part, free flow. Hoop it up, hoop it out, load it in, blow it out, hoop, hoop. Hoop the tube, hoop, hoop, hoop and groove, hoop it up, load it in, blow it out, hoop, hoop, Hoop-a-tube. Hoop, hoop, hoop and groove. Grab a hoop and ride in time. Dance around and check the hoop. Hoop the loop and hoop-dee-doo. Hoop-la-la and hoop it too. Hoop it up, hoop it up. Load it in, blow it out. Hoop, hoop, hoop-a-tube. Hoop, hoop, hoop and groove. Hoop it up, hoop it out. Load it in, blow it out. Hoop, hoop, hoop-a-tube. Hoop, hoop, hoop and groove. Hoop it through. And what's unlearned, release and grow to be more kind. The more I hoop, I free my mind. The more I move, that's all I find. Hoop it up, hoop it up. Load it in, blow it out. Hoop, hoop-a-tube. Hoop, hoop, hoop and groove. Hoop it up, hoop it out. Load it in, blow it out. Hoop, hoop, hoop-a-tube. Hoop, hoop, hoop and groove. Hoop, hoop, let me do. Hoop, hoop, to dance us through. Hoop, 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 hoop. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. That's from the forward position and the backwards position. And that is everything for the hoop choreography for the 2021 Hoop It Up World Hoop Day official dance choreography. So I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla. Stay tuned to the other videos so you have more breakout of how to get through that. And there are time codes in this so you can go back to the different parts and rewatch this. And yes, you can rewatch this over and over again. And make sure that you download the song. It is free. And please donate to the cause. Donate to your local charities. Anything that supports hooping and hoop health in your community. So make some hoops. Bring some hoops, donate some hoops, gently used, and teach some new kids. I don't care how old they are. Teach them, bring them. Share the hoop love and welcome to the circle. So I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla. Thank you so much for watching. Rock on, peace out. We'll see you on the next videos. And also catch the reverse matador video too. So that one is this move right here. So I'll teach you how to go through that and give you some cool variations too. So a few cool things to catch. All right. Thanks for watching. Rock on. Peace out. Bye. Happy World Hoop Day.